Hey, this is videotok. Once you are in the homepage, we have a lot of options to create static ads, video ads, social and UGC ads, or just to do generations with AI model. The cool thing about videotok is that we want to create images or ads super fast or video ads. We can do that also selecting some inspiration reference. Once I came here, let me do this smaller. I have on the right a lot of reference inspirations that I can select, modify it just to for my product or for my preferences. So imagine you want to create something like this ad. What I can do now is just give an instruction, give a prompt. Like for example, imagine you want to change these shoes with another product image. You can upload your product image right here. Or imagine we're just editing new things instead of a shoe. What we are doing is Lego Formula One color. And then you can select which is the resolution you want, the aspect ratio. If you want an avatar to appear here, if you want an avatar, and you can explore between all of our public avatars and select one of the ones you like and click on generate. And that's as easy as you can recreate something like that. So we are just selecting some inspiration reference that we like, and in your creations, it will appear directly. We can do the same with other creations at the same time while all of this is generating. So I can come back to the home and select other templates side. Like for example, imagine we are doing some real estate. So here we have some inspiration reference. Let's say we want to create this. Let's say we want to promote the same. Let's keep the aspect ratio, the generation, and now our creation is generating. So here, for example, the first generation already generated, and we can open it and we can see our Lego toy. If there's something else we want to change, for example, here I have brand name because I didn't say any brand name in the prompt or we didn't add any image at the beginning, we can modify things. So here at the bottom right, we can say find brand name with Lego. After the lowest, click on generate. And now we can modify this image that we have already generated. And this is super easy because we are getting like super high quality images ads that we can do without having to think too much on the prompt or having to think too much time on spending like 10 tries, 20 tries to generate just one good image. So here at first, I will generate a really good image that I can reuse. So we can close this. Here, for example, we have the Lego logo and everything as we said. We can go back to the other generation we did at the same time to your creations. Here, for example, we can see this whole image that I didn't have to prompt it to create it. So my sentence was basically a Lego toy in the house of a Formula One. I didn't even write it well, and just with something super simple as this, we are generating these high quality images. And then the good thing is that we can publish it. So we could select our Instagram channel, or we can connect it to all the social media channels and publish our images. So basically how we do this, if we can go to the settings page, and here in the settings, we have social account. So we can connect all these social accounts, publish on that. So we have Pinterest, YouTube, Threads, LinkedIn, X, and TikTok, and Instagram, and we can publish in every one of these channels. And so basically how agents work is that we can create an agent and then we can fill all the options that we need one. So the name, the briefing, product images. And then here, for example, we have auto-selected one type of template or inspiration. We can deselect it or we can select other ones. So for example, imagine I want to create images like this one, but for my product. And then I want to create something else. So like this, I'm going to select all of this, deselect it. If we want video ads, also we can select video ads and scroll them to find the video ads. Also select some video ads, imagine that. And now we have selected a lot of inspiration references that we really like. So we can select, okay, which is the aspect ratio we want to create for. which is the quality for the video ads. So this high, low quality is for the video ads models. Select if we want some avatars, when to publish it, which is your time zone. If we want to auto-publish or to create a draft, and then select all the social accounts we have created and create the agent. So automatically they will start publishing on every social media for us. And then we have the My Media section with all the assets that we have been creating. Like, for example, this is what I've been creating today. I can continue working on it. So I can open every single of them or publish them, organize everything here. And then we have the video editor also. So basically here in the video editor is that I can create a new project going to a video editor. So if we open it here on the left, we have all the models, everything. Start creating images, creating videos, creating everything. Or we can search between stock media or between our content. So for example, imagine we are adding this to the gallery. We can drag and drop it here into the editor, start modifying and creating a video here. We can have like some layers, add some effects or fade ins, fade out, everything we want here in the video editor of videotok.app. So this is probably one of the simple and easiest ways to get super high quality ad, video ad, images, scenes, whatever you need for your company. So that's it. That video talk. I hope you like it.